Thanks for breakfast, Art, and the wonderful company. I really enjoyed our time. Okay, here we are at the RTR. Let's go see if we can find these people that I want to meet. Lots and lots and lots of people here. I'm parked right at the edge. I have to remember exactly where I am so I can find my van when I get done. So this is Bob's old van. He just bought an ambulance and he's actually raffling this one off. It's $5 for tickets. You can go online, homesonwheelsalliance.org, and you can register online and pay the $5 and get your tickets. This would be a great thing. He's got 750 watts of solar on the top. I have the exact same van. I have a different high top on it and I have windows in mine. But yeah, and I got the exact same van from listening to Bob. Basically, I walked around. They're doing a free thing on how to get Wi-Fi on the road and actually how to get some free Wi-Fi. So that was pretty interesting. Then I went to the place where you can sign up for the sweepstakes for Bob's van. Although I have the exact same van, a little different high top. I went to Fiberine. He said he had a lot of trouble where he went. I went to Fiberine and got the wood, reinforced sides and top and the two windows in it. So I don't know what I would do if I won Bob's, although he has so much solar. I would really like that part of it. But let's go on into town. My favorite pizza place in Quartzsite. Silly Owls. But I'm out here where all the vendors are. It's crazy busy. It's on both sides of the road. The hard part is finding a place to park.
Ceramic cookware.
I want one of these. Lots of flags around here. Good morning. It's cold in Quartzsite this morning. I got 2 layers on, got my Van City Van Life shirt on, go Chrome. So we're representing down here, Chrome. The weirdos are out. But yeah, it's cold, it's windy, and over at the RTR, they're having an open minivan show. The other things are tomorrow, but today from noon to 2, people that want to show their minivans or their vans can come in and open them up, and then the rest of us can walk through and peek in. And I think I'm going to do that because there's always ideas I can get, you know. So we've got a whole double row here, might even be a triple row of all these vans open so you can look into. This is going to be very interesting, folks. This is the most unique idea.
The tire's completely gone.
So I kind of wanted to see how she did this.
Down to the hub. Just look up the roof just so to tell. That is proof positive that when you have a trailer, you should have a TV on.
And she just put it right inside so she can put her bed up against there. And she said this is just a basement window. You could probably go to the Restore and get one of those. And yeah. And then she built a platform off the back to give her like a little deck. I love this. This is a great idea. That's how much weight? 300? 500?
It's a 500-pound glide.
A 500 pound, yeah. Here's Maddie Van Halen invited me out to where Adi was, and this is her little group. Fun bunch. That's Maddie Van Halen in the background playing on that guitar. But I wanted to show you this little one. This little one is 7 weeks old.
7 weeks.
And she's
Lucy.
This is Lucy. She's doing it early. Do you have a channel?
Yeah, we are Dream on Wheels.
What is it?
Dream on Wheels.
Dream on Wheels. Keep following Lucy and see how she does. This is Lucy's adult. Lucy's parent, her new adopted parent. But isn't she precious?
Yes, she is.
And this is, see Maddie over there is playing his guitar. There's Maddie behind the green chair.
You mostly know her as the traveling granny, and she has a YouTube channel. This is her time up on this. Excuse me.
There she is. There he is, you guys. Maddie Van Halen out of Nashville. One of my running buddies out here. I think they're early. It's the first one I actually met up with when I got on the road.